morning. The last class we have discussed about the last video we have discussed about the boilers. Now we are going to deal a case study in the boilers. Okay. So what is the case study is? What is the purpose of arrangement of tubes? So why these tubes are arranged in such a manner? What is the reason? Any ideas? So why the tubes can be in a single pass we can do like this, but why it is arranged like this? So what is the difference? Any ideas? Why the setup is like this? So what is meant by conductivity? What is meant by conductivity? In our cooking purpose, we are using utensils. What are the bottom of the utensils? What is coated with? Have you seen the utensils for cooking purpose? Silvers. The bottom will be coated. What is the material coated? Very good, tell me. Copper. Who told the answer? Copper? Okay, very good. Why we are using copper? Because it has good conductivity. So, copper we are using because it has good conductivity. It can conduct heat. Very good. So, here we are using copper tubes to conduct the heat. Okay. So, here the water is passing inside. Initially, the temperature is very low. Here the heat is formed by combustion. So here what happens is, here the heat may be takes place by conduction and it may be taken by convection or by radiation. The three different forms the heat transfer takes place. So why we are making the arrangement like this? What is the reason is, so we want to give more time. The first one is we want to give more time to contact with the heat, with the fluid gases. Okay. So if you give more time to contact with the fluid gas, what happens? The heat transfer rate takes place quickly. The heat transfer rate quickly. Other thing is area. What about the area? If area is less, what happens? What about the heat transfer? It will be less or more? More. If the area is less, heat transfer will be more. What about if the area is more? Heat will be less. Is it correct? Okay. You are using your bikes. What about fins? What is the purpose of fins there? So my question here is, I am passing a water. This is the two conditions. Okay. So this is a pipe. This is a setup like this. This is another setup. Okay. Here water is passed. So water is passed and then something outside. Here we will take temperature T1. Here we can take temperature T2. Okay. Same amount of water for same length. So this is in a single horizontal. We have made the same length into spiral form. The same amount of water is passed with the temperature T1 and then here temperature T2. So what will be the temperature? For example, the temperature here is 30 degrees Celsius. Here also 30 degrees Celsius. We are supplying fluid gases to heat. Okay. So what will be the outlet temperature in this case and this case?
The first case temperature lesser or
temperature will be less. How much, for example, can we?
There 50, 60.
Oh, 50. Okay. For example, we are taking just 50 degrees Celsius. What happens here? What will be the temperature?
90 to 130.
90. The same process taking place, but why the exit temperature is more? Why?
Flow of water.
Why?
Flow of water in the state will be more.
The flowing time will be more here.
Yes.
Here it is
Less.
less. So if the time is more, what happens? We are giving more time to contact with the fluid gases. So initially what happens? If there is more time, what happens?
Heat will increase.
It will be increasing. So heat transfer will take place so that what happens? The continuously heat will be taking place in all the forms. Okay. So that quickly what happens? Water is converted into steam. Okay. So this is the purpose of having a spiral cell structure in the boilers. Okay. Thank you.